Yeah. Okay, this one.
This is what happens.
Mm. I have to stop sharing first. How is it? Yeah. Why this one is
I'm
not
the
working well?
Minecraft mermaid and a merman.
Ah, what's happened with my screen?
Maybe it's because
What?
the computer or whatever you're using is broken.
Oh, can you see the slide now?
Yes. Yes, it does.
What is that? What is the slide
No
talking?
short story. Look, I was reading it.
Oh, but now, what is that?
There is a drawing which looks very creepy and a little bit bad. And there is a yes, that's what I
All right,
can see.
we're going to talk about this person, yeah, the handsome boy is called Jean Michel Basquiat. He is one of the charismatic abstract artists who's live in the
Can
USA.
he make himself?
And then yeah, and then suddenly he becoming so famous because one of his work has been sold like
Ooh,
110. Yeah, I want you to prepare your drawing paper, markers, crayons, and geoto watercolor. Okay, we're going to have fun with this one.
I prepared before you said it.
All right then. I need somebody's help now to wait. What's happened with this? I'm just
Where's Roots?
okay. Can you read this one, please, Evo?
I was reading it before. No short story of Jean Michel
Basquiat.
Basquiat.
Okay.
Of know the meaning of
Of abstract
in
in
art.
art. Okay.
Learn how to use paint like him.
Yeah.
Discuss and share our knowledge with others.
Okay. Today our mission is to draw something like this. Yeah.
Something realistic.
Yeah. No, this one is not realistic, right? This is like something like what? What do you think about this painting, Tia?
They look very scary. The tooth looks very scary.
Very scary for you?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm. Okay, how about Tia? What do you think about these 5 paintings, Tia?
Cool.
Hmm? Sorry, can you say it again?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Okay.
I like the one that is like the human one, but the fingers is too long.
Mm-mm. Okay. How about the others? I mean, the others element that you can see. What is that?
The cat looks very cute, and the tree ones looks very horrible and scary to me because the teeth looks very scary.
Okay. Yeah, just because Basquiat didn't attend, he didn't attend the art university. That's why maybe he's not really good in painting or drawing something like that. Oh, who drew this one? Who drew these things? You guys draw this? The line? Who's using the line?
Me.
Oh,
Ew.
we can use the line. I'm just like little bit.
I don't like those trees. I can use the line too. It looks very scary.
Yeah, okay, but unfortunately, we still need to learn about this person. Yeah, this artwork for me is really, really genius because it looks different and weird sometimes. It looks scary sometimes also, but I think we should try sometime also. Do you agree that we will try it?
Hey,
Uh-huh.
look, there's a goal.
There's a what? Gold? All right, this one. Let's paint like him, like Basquiat. Okay, Kakatia, can you help me to read this one, please?
Okay. Draw a human face using your marker. Add more random elements to uh, of
Uh,
art using your own version.
and
Analyze everything using your watercolor.
wow. Okay. Yes. All right. This is one of the example that Basquiat, that Michel Basquiat already create. Yeah. The painting looks really childish for me. Okay. The people face is not really realistic, but this painting provides so many colors. I like it. All right. This looks very cartoonish and then looks so pinkish or bluish, but yeah, overall I like it. How about you? Kakatia, you like this kind of painting or not?
Yeah, I like it.
How about you, Ruth? You like this kind of painting? Ruth, do you like this kind of painting?
She's mute.
Oh, this is new. Okay then. Yeah. Okay, we discuss first. Yeah. Ruth, do you like this kind of painting?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes. I don't like the teeth.
You don't like the teeth? How about this one, Ruth? You like it?
I don't like the teeth either.
Oh, you don't like the teeth either, yeah? How about the other one? How about the colors? Do you like the colors?
Yes. Colors.
Okay, what else that you can analyze, guys? Okay, I want you to use your scientific glasses, just pretending you are watching something, this one, and I want you to analyze something that you watch, something that you see.
I like all of the drawing.
You like all of the drawing, and then
But I don't really like the teeth.
you don't really like the teeth. Okay, yeah, and
The
then what
eyes
else?
doesn't match with the teeth.
How about the color? Do you like it, Ivo?
Yeah.
What color did you like the most?
I like
Yellow, blue,
the
pink, red, yellow.
I like all of the colors except for
Okay.
black because it's very dark.
Okay. How about you, Kakatia? Which one? Which element in this painting that you like?
I like the cat one.
Oh, you like the cat one. All right then. Yeah. How about you, Ivo? I mean, Ruth.
Two.
Ruth, what is the element of
I
art
like
that
the
you like?
cat one too.
Oh, you like the cat ones too. Okay then. All right. Wait. Okay. Let's try
I
to
said I
paint.
like the cat one too.
Yeah. We're going to paint something like Basquiat. Yeah. Ready? Are you ready, everybody? Now I'm going to choose. I'm going to use my
Do we have to make our paper like this or like this?
landscape. Just this one is portrait. This one is landscape. So later on, next time you want to say something, this one is portrait. Miss we will draw the object in landscape or portrait. This one is portrait. This one is landscape. Okay. Ready? I think I need to stop sharing this. Oh, it's okay lah. Just
We're
share this
going
one.
to use the skater the long way.
What?
We're going to use the what? I always forgot.
You always forgot? All right then. Yay! Now we're going to start drawing the object here. Okay, I'm going to share again this one.
Which
Now
one do
we
we have to
will,
fix again?
okay, we're going to draw the face first, yeah? I'm going to put the face in this area, please. Can you guys please draw some human face in this area first?
I'm gonna make a huge.
And then this will be the head, and then the ear maybe if they have it. Okay.
Wow, the ear looks very big and fancy.
Yeah, try to paint like him. All right. Now I want to draw the eye, something like that.
Can I draw the one that has the
The what? The cat? The cat?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can steal the idea. You can draw the cat there. Okay.
I want to draw the human and then the
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm
I
drawing
just
the
don't
human
know what
face.
I wanted to paint.
Yeah, remember in this abstracts lesson, you have to release your stress. I want you to just don't care about making mistakes. All right, just draw it. If you make mistake, just continue modifying your mistake.
Very. This
Mm.
is very nice and not nice at the same time.
Yeah.
So by the way, Happy New Year and Happy Valentine's Day.
Yay, Ivo. Thank you, Ivo. Okay, I think I'm going to.
Yay! Yay!
Okay, I think I'm going to put something here. I don't know what is this. Maybe this is about the.
Maybe it's the hair.
Yeah, you can follow me or you can use your own ideas. Okay, Ruth?
I want to use my own ideas.
Yeah, we're going to start to copying some of Basquiat's ideas. Okay. Oh, I found something nice here. It's like a mouse like this. Okay.
I'm gonna make the seats a little bit regular,
Yeah.
but I make it a little bit like mine because I have a hole.
Oh,
I have a newborn tooth.
what?
I have a newborn tooth.
Okay. Ruth, you want to say something?
Yes,
What is that?
I want to draw an open mouth.
Okay, go. Draw open mouth.
You mean this the one that looks that the eyes looks very crazy? The one that one.
Okay, wait. I'm going to get my marker first. Yeah, wait.
There, the tooth looks very it
Oh,
looks
it's
very
not
frightening.
It's closing mouth and opening mouth. So just crazy. But I like this one at the end. It has crown and the face is regular.
Okay. This is sometime Basquiat like to draw a crown like this, guys. I don't know why, but he liked to
I want
make
to
some.
make a crown so he can be the queen of the world, our king.
Yeah, I don't know why that he always like drawing. Uh,
I think I wanted to be the queen. No, the king. No, no, no. The princess. No, no, no. The prince. No, no. I don't know which one to pick.
what happened with you, Ivo?
We're talking about like you're saying like I don't know what you're saying, but yeah, it's kind
I
of
think I'm gonna make it the prince. Yeah.
Okay, I want you to draw the sketches first. Yeah, after this we're going to color it together. But don't color yet. You just need to. Okay, can you show me your drawing, Kakatia? How is it? Wow, yeah. Please do not copy Mr. Al. You have to make your own. Okay, Tia. Find the idea from Basquiat's real painting. This one. It's okay if you're already following me. It's okay. Maybe for the rest one, I want you to be creative by just draw anything you want. You have to modify. You can modify it.
Why does the legs look so funny?
Okay, I'm just trying to make it a little bit more like.
blind
I'm
and
trying to make the cat a little bit more like the man that painted.
Mm.
It looks so weird. It's like someone is like dancing or something. I don't know. I'm gonna make the ears short because I don't have enough space.
Yeah,
Enough
just draw
space.
anything you like, guys. Okay, draw the face or maybe the cake face here. Just steal the idea. Idea.
Gum, my
You just need to
gum.
modify everything. Modify. Be creative, okay?
That sail is very nice. It
Okay,
looks
like that.
like why is the cat showing the butt? And the head is so strong to make the whole entire thing go back.
Everyone has a butt. I have a butt. You have a butt. Everyone has a butt, right?
Mm-mm.
I'm
Okay.
gonna draw some paws.
If you're stopping a little bit.
Freaking out.
Right, what else, yeah? What else that we can draw? Oh, maybe, oh yeah, don't forget that Basquiat likes to put some word inside his
When I see
painting.
these paws, they freak me out.
All right, I want you to put the word, only the positive word inside your painting, yeah? This one will be painted by watercolor later on. Okay, I think I will write down liberty, liberty, or maybe something like smart here.
Really say I thought.
Can
This
be
cat is groomed to be groomed.
clever. Oh, Eva, what happened with your screen? I cannot see your face. It's lagging. What happened?
Can the rest see my face?
Yes, you can.
I see your face. Yes, but why Mr.
Yeah.
Owl has not seen my face?
Yeah. All right. Come
Why? Why?
on.
Why your name? I can't hear.
Okay, everybody. The benefit of learning about abstracts is you can do it whatever you want. Okay, you have a freedom to decide what object that you want
Wings,
to.
got some wings. This cat is in heaven.
Like that.
He already died. That's
What? Why? It's already died.
the cat already be alive. So like a
What
minute
else? Yeah,
so she
maybe.
died. I
Oh,
never
crown.
did a CRT.
Before you know, I was playing Minecraft, but it's called CubeCraft.
Yay. I'm gonna
Okay,
make the ears very nice. It's a
I'm done.
bow.
Can I see your drawing, Ruth?
My word is different.
Oh, can I see that? Just a while. Oh yeah, nice. Oh yeah, all right then. Yeah, okay, you can make it like that. Draw anything you like, house, building, whatever, cat, or maybe a butterfly, dragonfly.
I
In
don't know how
this,
to draw a butterfly.
okay, in this case, you have to be creative, draw anything you like.
Why is this cat naked? This cat has to be a very special cat because it's in heavens. And I'm pretty sure in heavens, cats change. They go to special cats. This cat is going to have a workout outfit.
I'm gonna make my words more thicker, so because it.
I'm gonna make this very cute. I said cute, but it looks terrifying.
Okay, how is it? Ivo,
It's
can I see your
good.
sketches? Can I see your sketches, please?
Oh my god. Stop it, background. You're ruining this place. I don't know.
All right, after that, don't forget, we're going to work with the crayons.
Yay.
Be careful, okay?
Great.
When we're working with the crayon, it means that you have to stop working with your marker. Stop. You have to keep your marker away from your table. Oh, cool. Yeah. Yeah, Ruth. Nice, Ruth. Come on. Draw anything, maybe stars, maybe sun, maybe cloud. We're going to adopt the Basquiat painting style. I think this one is a bit messy, but at the same time, it's also artistic. I like it. This looks so cool, man. It's like somebody are.
Ooh, that's cat.
Mm.
Ooh, you're going so fancy. And if you didn't notice, I like fancy things. Like the person that drawed all of that, he did hard work, and it's so pretty. Fancy, very fancy.
Wow. Okay. Are you done sketching, guys? Remember, if you do not use black marker, your drawing will not look so clear. Then you have to buy one black marker, bigger, yeah. These are out. This one is my must
So
have.
it's very fast.
What?
So it's very fast.
Right. Draw anything you want. Put some word inside your painting, please, Kakatia and Ivo and Ruth. Smart, clever, liberty.
I got it.
Yeah, crown. What else? Barbie, if you want it, it's okay.
No, I don't know how to draw Barbie.
How about clever, diligent, smart, beautiful? Oh, beautiful is good. I will write
I need
beautiful.
to scratch my head so I can think. Ah,
Oh yeah, I have the red marker here. I will learn
I'm a
to.
little bit confused how to draw it, but okay.
Yeah, I know.
Make that.
Here.
I'm gonna prove how good I am. I'm gonna prove how good my artist is. Yes.
I already downloaded this app.
What app? What?
Thing.
What?
What's that?
Here.
Oh, I have an app named Photo Collage. You can collage.
You can collage.
Kind of funny, but yeah, like that.
I like collaging.
Me,
So I downloaded the app.
me too. You keep calling me to do something first. Like if I wanna candy, then you call me. If I wanna do something, everything I do, you just call me. Is that the point?
Yes, yes, and yes.
Oh, you are doing that.
It's so cute.
Wait, what happened to this face?
It's a pirate girl. This guy is a pirate girl. Or girl. This girl is a pirate girl. Hire me, Heidi.
How's it, Kakatia? You can draw butterfly or anything, yeah? In this case,
Anything you want in your imagination.
yeah. Remember
Be
that
creative.
if you can draw as many as object as you can, it means that you are a bit creative.
You are an artist.
Yeah, probably. Okay, love sign, butterfly, dragonfly, some abstract line. I don't know what is.
Extra flies.
Yeah.
We can draw anything we want, even Minecraft players.
Yeah. You can draw Among Us also if you want.
For coloring the butterfly.
Hi, me hearties. If I was a pirate, but I want to say meow because I would Imagine I was a little kid. Then everyone would love me.
You
Love
Okay.
me.
Who's done with the sketches? Who's done with the sketches?
Not
Katia,
me.
you're done?
If I
Katia.
am done, I could bring on.
it's this one.
Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, yeah. All right. Yeah. Are you done, Katia? Sketch with the sketch one?
Yeah.
Okay, you can use crayon now. Color some only, not too much. Make it random, okay? Don't
And
make it, in this case, you have to make everything messy. But trust me, it looks artistically messy later on at the last one.
It looks very beautiful, you mean?
Yeah.
These arms looks very fancy, I guess.
Yeah.
It's a little fun, a little good at the same time, you know.
yeah, I do know.
Yeah, when you draw like this kind of things, maybe one of part of your brain say that, oh, this is not correct. This one is so ugly. Why I should draw something
Never
like this?
say that to yourself.
Yeah, I mean like it's normal when you feeling, oh, this is
Let's chill.
not me.
Let's
Why we have to draw something messy like this? Yeah, it's normal. It's okay. You can.
I'm trying my best. I don't know how to do it. I
We,
forgot how to draw heels.
You know, I know the word about smash and strike.
what is that?
It's very hard until you hit your brain.
Oh,
You should try. You have to watch YouTube, which is, and there's a channel named Minute Earth. There is a girl and a boy, which they are very, very smart.
What?
I'm serious. I'm not even joking.
Just like that 5-minute class again. Okay. And then?
Minute Earth is my favorite.
What?
We're gonna
Akatia,
really long.
don't forget to use white. Yeah, guys, Ruth and
He's
Eva
the
use white.
best.
Use white in some place. You know what? Later when it's blending with the watercolor, it looks really really artistic. Use white in some part, please. Okay. Remember last time you guys keep on talking and then suddenly everything will be just delayed. Everything will just be late. I want you to, yeah, it's okay to talk, but sometimes you have to stop and do your work.
Okay, then I'll mute.
Yeah.
Ooh, the makeover looks very nice.
Hmm? Which one is
I'm
very nice?
giving this one like my Barbie doll a makeover.
Yeah, you should be able to have your self management skill. It means like you maintain yourself, how you talk, how you work, and then when is your time to present everything later on.
Now,
Yeah.
it can be very hot.
Sorry.
And if you go to space, like you're like an astronaut, like you're in space, then
Hmm.
then you know, you see the sun is hot.
Yeah, of course. But it's maybe
And
more hottest, right? It's more hot because it's close to the sun.
Of course.
Carol,
Yeah.
I'm going to have this Barbie doll have a beautiful dress because everybody knows that dolls have to be beautiful so people can buy it.
I heard that.
Okay.
I'm gonna make the eyebrows like cat ears.
Mm-mm. All right. Don't forget, guys, to use crayons to not to color everything, just some. Make it random like this, and then you will see later
She's
under the video.
dancing. She's dancing.
What about?
She's dancing. Yay!
What? She's wearing a clothes.
And by the way, I'm gonna give her the cat headbands.
Okay, I'm using white now.
And
Remember,
I
you have to
cannot
use.
get the other ear because it's covered by the hair.
Okay, remember, yeah, use white. Use white, please, everyone,
Wokey.
so that
Why
later you will see the magic appear on your painting later on after this one.
Okie dokie.
so I know this is great.
You put white in a different place, Ruth.
Girl code.
I don't know, but I can't find. This is why. There you go.
Why is my name I can't hear?
All right.
Fine.
After I use a lot of paint, crayons. Now it's time for me to wipe it with the paint. Yeah. This is the fun part. Wait, I'm going to
The white
see.
one, guys.
It's waiting for you. It's waiting for me. It's very waiting for everyone.
Wait, I'm going to get my brushes.
Well, who did call? Your mom?
All right, I think I'm done with my crayons. I will use my paint now.
Everyone, everyone is the river.
What?
What? And then this one says, let's go to the ball. And then the other one says, yes.
Everyone is going because his father is not painting. You see his painting?
Wow, this is cool, man. See that? Wow, I like
Let's
the.
go to the ball.
This is quite satisfying because when you use watercolor with the crayons are made from wax, and then it is not mix each other. That's why the.
Laughing. No laughing.
Yes. Do I say yes or yes?
Yes.
Maybe I say yes. That's
Some nice hair.
painting my doesn't look good.
But everybody knows we need some nice hair.
Why your name is I can't hear? It looks like you can't hear something. You can't hear something.
Mm-mm.
Is it my voice or something else? How about
No, I can hear everything.
yeah, but why your name is
I think like in the beginning that the one that is our shelter.
oh,
Oh, yeah.
pew, 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 pew.
I everybody, you can mute, but after that, when you want to unmute, you can.
It sounds like that. Oh yeah, I don't understand what I'm talking.
Wow, can you see my painting, guys? This looks cool, man. I like it. I think I like this kind of style. I want to be the real artist after this. Wow, it's masterpiece. You will see that later when you're using white crayons and then it mixed by the water, the crayons will reject the water, like throwing away and then
Hello guys.
you're done. Okay, if you're done, please work with the crayons.
Hi everyone. What color shall I use? I'm gonna use orange.
Okay. Remember to use white crayons because white is really cool when you touch the watercolor onto your.
I got in space and so many eggs.
Hey guys, the pate is here.
What are you talking about?
The pate. We have a party, and the party is here. This is the party class.
Wow, I'm done. Yeah, this one is my Basquiat abstract painting. Wow, I should.
Oh wow.
Present, Mr.
Come on, Ivo. Are you working with the crayon now?
Oh, I'm still drawing.
Working the paint.
Come on, guys, be fast. Be more faster, please.
Okay, bye.
I am not crayon.
How about you, Ruth? Are you now working with the crayons, with the pastels?
Yes, but I'm on mute.
Yeah, don't forget to use white colors, yeah? In some places, and then later when you use watercolor, your watercolor will look really cool. Put so many random things there, Ruth
Can
and
I
Tia.
put white all over my paper?
What? Sorry, Tio?
Can I put white all over my paper?
Mm, yeah, it's possible, but I suggest you use some colors also, like black, red, or maybe.
Crayons, they're so pretty. They are so nice. They have wonderful colors. La 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 la. Wonderful colors. La 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 la. Crayons have wonderful colors. Just like
You lots of
paint.
I got lots of ooh.
Now it's time for the paints. Paints are like crayon. La 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 la. I like to sing, so don't think, don't even think that I'm not doing my work. I am doing my work. You think that I'm not doing my work, then you are wrong. Okay, finally I can do this. Okay. So I'm gonna use yellow.
All right, I want you guys to mute 10
This is
minutes and then you have to focus on your work. Stop talking first. Then we can catch up everything later on. Okay, mute for 10 minutes. I'm going to give you instruction and then you can talk to me only regarding the lesson only. All right. So, Ruth, are you working now with the watercolor? Show me your thumbs. Cool. Now, remember before you use your watercolor, you have to use white crayon first in some part, some area to make the cool effect of the painting later on. Kakatia, are you working with the crayon now? Show your thumbs. Okay. Are you working with the watercolor? Not yet? Okay, cool. Yeah. Spread the color, make it more colorful. You just put the color randomly in some part, make it balanced. If you put the blue here, maybe you can put another blue on this area. So it will be balanced, yeah, left and right.
Mr. Al,
Yeah.
I want to make it beautiful and I want to sell the paper.
You wanna what? Make it beautiful and what?
I want to make it beautiful and I want to sell it.
Sell it? Oh, cool. Yeah, you can. You just put it in your frame and ask your mommy to join the art exhibition, maybe in your school, and then you can sell it. You know, you can use the money for donating somebody, or you can use it for your personal uh, purposes. Maybe you want to buy something for your mommy, or maybe for your clothes. I don't know. Okay, Ifo, are you working now with the crayons? Oh, you're working with the watercolor? Yeah, remember, don't put too many big area, yeah, for the watercolor. I want you to spread it. For example, just a little bit here black, little bit here with red or blue. Just put a little bit colors in some small area. Don't spray every. I mean, Don't spread everything with red only. It will be not looks good and later on it looks boring. What?
Like a cute version. I'm gonna make my art a cute version.
Yeah, it's
My
okay.
my brush is out of control.
What do you mean?
Okay.
Why it's so quiet?
Yes, because we are working now. I'm going to open the mic again, maybe 5 minutes ahead. So you just focus on your work first, and then after that we can discuss. I drew a lot. I create a lot of painting like this one.
Remember, you have to present it.
Yeah, I'm going to present it after this one. I'm going to take photos first. Maybe, wow, I produced so many artwork actually. All right, while you guys are working, I'm going to give you example how to present your abstract painting. Yeah, it will be
Or
like
maybe
this.
sing.
Not singing, please. I don't. Not this time.
Why did you take off your glasses?
Oh, my glasses. Where is it? Where are your glasses? Oh, this one. Okay. All right. Hi, my name is Mr. Al, and this is my painting. And then you know what? The idea is came from Jean Michel Basquiat, and then I'm trying to steal some ideas, and then I'm trying to adopt it, and then I modified my imagination, and then I'm trying to make it more colorful by applying so many colors in my painting. Okay, I'm using paper, and then at first I drew the object using my black marker, and then after that I colored some of the items with the crayons, and then randomly, and then after that I wipe everything with the watercolor. If you notice that in my painting, actually I do not really put with a big area. I just focus on small area, and then I'm trying to make it more. Yeah, I'm trying to make it more various, merrier with the color like this. And this is actually representing my feeling for today. I feel so happy because I have doing a lot of things, and then it's quite successful. I finish everything. My work, my target is already achieved. Okay, something like that, right? So I want you to present like that.
Made?
Hmm?
What?
I want you to present like that, all right? Make it a little bit more longer and then detail. You talk about the colors, what colors that you apply on your paper, and then how do you feel when you are working with the black or red paper? Are you feeling sad or happy? And then how that the objects like appears come from your mind, and then yeah, make it more as detailed as you can. I will give you as many time as you want, unless you have to make it
Can I
more.
have 60 minutes?
Can, you can talk 60 minutes just only talking about your artwork. Not talking about nonsense, okay? We will talk about our artwork.
No, I'm 60.
16? I thought 60, like 1 hour. Okay, how is it? Kakatia, are you almost done? Is it almost done or you need more time to finish it?
I'm still coloring it.
Okay, yeah, nice. All right. How about Ivo or Ruth? Wow, I cannot wait to hear you guys presenting your work. This is really cool. You know what? Every time that this lesson has been delivered to the students, I always found that the artwork looks really cool. Trust me, I cannot wait for Ruth to present her work.
You know what? I'm down. I'm done.
Okay, you want to present it now, Ruth? Okay, take photos first. Ready? One, wait, wait. One, two, go. Smile. Oh, how about the face, Ruth? You do not want to color it?
Uh,
You want to color it or you don't want it? It's okay. You decide.
now.
No, okay. You want to try now? Present it now?
Yes.
Ready? One, two, go. Remember, I want 6 paragraph sentences. I want you to make it more longer and detailed, okay? Good?
Okay.
Ready? One, two. Good luck.
Hi everyone. My name is Ruth, and I'm 6 years old, and I made this art with my teacher and my friends.
Mm,
And I learned about art, things and stuff. And now I learn how to draw face, ears, and toes and hands and feet and body.
okay.
Now now I learn to draw such big things and and I learn to draw in the lines and learn how to Well, make it more thicker.
Wow. Okay. What else? How do you feel? Happy? And then how about the object? How many object that you drew?
Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, 9 object. Which one is the hardest?
Well, the one is to make the writing thicker. Because
Okay.
because mommy made small uh, uh, fiddle. It has to be more.
Okay. How about the colors? Can you tell us something about the colors?
I put red, pink, blue, yellow, and red. Well, red again. It's dark red.
Okay. What is your favorite colors on your painting?
My favorite color is purple, blue,
Why you choose purple, blue, and pink?
well, that's my favorite color.
Your favorite colors. How about the black? You like black?
Yeah, sometimes, but not always.
Okay, when you apply the pink, purple colors in your painting, how do you feel? Are you feel sad, happy, or relaxing? What?
I just feel excited.
Oh, you feel excited? Okay. Overall, you like this kind of style? Do you
Uh,
like this kind of style? Abstracts?
yes,
Why you like this kind of style? You feel stressed?
yes.
You feel stressed?
Yeah, but not sometimes.
Yeah. What is the thing that makes you stress?
Like just drawing big objects.
Oh, drawing big object make you feel stressed. Yeah. But you don't really feel happy because you don't care about the things that you drew. You don't care about the size and everything. Okay, from 1 until 100, what score that you think you can get?
I think I just can get one or two or three or four or five.
No, from 1 until 100, what score that you think you deserve to get it from your painting?
Yeah.
Maybe 100 or 80?
Only one is good.
Sorry, can you say it again?
One.
One. You don't proud of your own painting? Are you not happy with? Yeah,
Proud.
you
That's
proud.
all.
You proud of your painting, right?
Well, not too proud.
Okay. Wow. Overall, okay. Are you happy with your painting now?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Enough. Thank you so much, Ruth, for presenting your work. I can say that wow, you just now you creating like 5 minute presentation, which is not easy for the kids to talk with the detail. And sometimes I was asking you, I hope that I do not really make you feel stressed. Yeah, Ruth. I just want to encourage you to answer me as many word as you can. Okay. Now we have Ivo and Kakak Tia. Are you ready? Kakak Tia, remember I want you to explain it in 10 paragraph. Make it more. This is a time for you to speak a lot. Okay. Wow, Ruth are very thirsty today. Misalnya boleh minta nggak Ruth? I also aus. Enak banget kayaknya airnya. Dingin ya?
Honey.
Sorry?
It's honey.
Oh, yeah. Alright then.
From the honeybees.
Okay, Kakak Tia, Ivo, come on. This is the time for you to speak.
Evo, why are you stopping? It looks like you're moving, but you're stopping in the street.
Idea.
Okay, I'll stop.
Okay, Ruth, you can also ask Ivo or Kakatia later on. Yeah, if you have any question, just ask them directly. Okay, no need to hesitate. No need to be worried about your questions. Everyone will learn a lot in this room. Kakatia, how is it? Ivo, are you ready, Ivo?
So are you muted? Unmute. Unmute. Right. I just not by
Okay, we go to Kakatia. Come on, Kakatia. Not yet done?
Not even done.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I will give you more time for you then to work. How about Ivo? Ivo, don't let Mr. Al dancing Arabian song like this. It's like a snake.
What are you talking about?
I'm asking Ivo, don't let Mr. Al waiting. If I'm waiting, I will act like a crazy man like that. And then I will sing, let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Okay. Ivo, please, what happened with your connection?
Eva, why are you always smiling on the screen?
I was muted.
Oh, okay. Are you ready, Ivo, to present?
No.
Oh my God. Don't let Mr. Al wait. You know, when Mr. Al
On,
wait,
on in your
everything
face.
will be screwed up. Okay, everything will be so messy, and you don't want to see Mr. Al dancing, right? TikTok.
I want to see you dancing with the TikTok right now.
I don't know, I cannot.
Ah,
Wow.
nice.
Ruth, can you dancing some TikTok song? Cannot?
I don't how to dance.
Oh, oh. Oh, maybe some of you do not play TikTok. Sorry. We just out of we will talk about something which is yeah. Just going to talk about something rather than talking about the TikTok. I don't really
Oh,
like TikTok also.
Titi is red.
Hmm?
What if we are all of these colors? Nah.
Ivo, why don't
How
we?
about you?
Why we cannot see your face? Yeah, why that it's stuck like you are smiling like that, and then what's happened with your connection?
I think her internet is slow.
Oh, maybe the internet.
No,
But
no.
but she can talk, but
It
the
became
yeah. Ruth, can
it
you help?
became yellow, red, and white.
Ruth, can you help us to entertain us by singing some song, Ruth? Maybe Twinkle Twinkle, Ruth.
Twinkle, twinkle, little sun. That's easy.
Alright, Kakatia, come on, focus on your work, please, Kakatia. It's okay, don't listen up to us. We are becoming so crazy if we are waiting. Right? We're just trying to make the lesson more fun by singing or
Here. Wait.
I'm done. Wait. Background, please turn off. I know this.
oh, you're done, Ivo?
Uh-huh. And three, and two, and one, go. Mr. Al,
Yeah.
can I present it now?
Yeah, of course. Wait. Ivo, Ruth, what are you doing? You will be fall down later on, Ivo. Okay, who wants to be the
Huh?
next one? Kakatia, yeah, or Ivo?
Me!
I'm done
Me!
already.
Okay, Ivo first, yeah, Ivo first. All right, Ivo, come on. Oh, what happened with Ivo? Oh, do I remove him? Ivo, are
Wait.
you there? Okay, Ivo, come on. It's already. Kakak Tia sabar ya. Ivo dulu sebentar. Come on, Ivo. What's happened with your
Hello
connection?
everyone, my name is Yvonne. This is what I draw.
Mm-mm.
I think I drawn 11. I'm not sure. And this is a face that looks a little bit funny and creepy at the same time. And this is some people's I don't know. I put a lot of colors.
Wow, see
And
that?
this is a ghost.
Wait, Ivo, move a little bit backward. I'm going to take photo of you smiling with your nice painting. Oh, cannot?
People, your screen is black.
You're stuck, Ivo. Okay, come on, continue, Ivo. It's okay. We can take photos later on.
And then
Mm-hmm.
I think I drawn 9, 10, or 11, or I don't know. So hard to count.
And then?
And here I draw a cat that has a really long tail, and she's like dancing.
Why you like cats?
That's because they're so cute and fluffy.
So cute? Why that you drew the cat like that?
That's because I think the cat is very cute.
Oh, you also put yellow and green in your painting. Why you like yellow and green?
Because I like all of the colors of the rainbow and all of the colors.
Okay, from 1 until 100, what do you think that you deserve to get the score?
1,000,000.
Oh, cool. Why? Why 1 million?
That's because I am so impressed. At the very beginning, I thought my drawing was bad, but at the
But,
end, I think my drawing, I was so impressed, and I was so proud of myself.
oh, cool. I also proud of you. You
I
know
was
what, Ivo?
so
I think this one is one of the best work that you ever create, right?
so.
Okay, I want you later on, Ivo, to take photos you smiling with your painting and share it in the group WhatsApp. Okay, Ivo, are you happy with that?
Yeah,
Okay, from 1 until 100, how many stars that representing your feeling today?
I want 1,000,000.
Okay.
Million.
All right then. Thank you, Ivo. Now we go back to Kakatia. Okay, ready, Kakatia? Open your mic, Kakatia, and then we're going to listen up to you. Eyes on screen, everybody. Smile first, Kakatia, and you have to turn off the effect first because later the green color will be. We cannot see the green color
Okay,
later.
okay, okay, okay.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay. Some Mr. I also have the green screen at the back. Okay, make it a little bit more higher, higher, higher. Sit down straight like that. Smile. Ready? Okay, you may start now.
My name is Lydia, and this is my painting. I
Mhm.
like this painting from my teacher. I know it looks very messy and has a lot of colors, but I made this cute cat
Mhm.
modeling.
And then,
And then there's a lot of building. There's two buildings around us. There's this one and this one.
mhm.
I used a bunch of white and water to make this effect.
Okay. What else?
And
We're gonna.
then I think this took me smiling. Sour, but I don't really know. The wolf is my favorite one.
Yeah, and then
I drew a butterfly over here.
okay, what else?
And then I write these words says clever, wow, meow, and beautiful.
All right, nice. How about the color?
So the colors I used for the cat was this lime color for the head, and then white for white and blue for the jacket, pink shirt for the cat. I forgot. Oh, I forgot to color this one.
Mm-mm. Okay,
Also,
which
white and red.
yeah, which part?
Also
Yeah,
blue
okay.
and also blue and red pants.
All right. Which part of your painting that you think is very hard for you to paint?
I think it's this part because I use a lot of colors.
Mm-mm. So far, how's your feeling?
Tired.
Tired? Are you feeling
Mhm.
relaxing? Are you feel relaxed or satisfying or what? Just
I'm
tired?
tired.
Oh, you're tired. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay. It's okay then. Do you have anything to say? Maybe something that you learned from this lesson. You learn about what?
I think to make like this kind of art,
Mm-mm.
like have like random colors and have a cool effect.
Mm-mm. And then only that.
Then coloring things in the random way.
All right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. So
So
from 1 until 100, what do you think you deserve to get the score?
I think 200.
200. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay then. All right. What?
Unmute, 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 unmute,
Okay
unmute,
then. All right, everybody. I think that's it. Do you have anything to say, Kakatia? Maybe
No,
you like this project or not?
I like the project.
Okay. Yeah, we just talking about who just now. The name of the artist. Did
I
you
don't
still
know.
remember?
I forgot.
Did you still remember?
No, I
Who
forgot.
still who still remember the name of the artist that we learned today? Start with J, Jean, Michel. What? The last one? Jean, Michel, Basquiat. Did you still
Ah,
remember?
I
Okay.
totally forgot.
Yeah, it's okay. I think because of you guys are all feel tired. See you again next week, everybody. Evo, bye bye. Ruth, bye bye. See you again next week.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Ruth. Enjoy your day, Ruth.
Bye.
Have a nice day, Kakatia and Ivo and
Thank
Ruth.
you.
Bye bye.